Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, our today's topic is uh, data types in Python. So what are the data types in Python and what are the data types? So every uh, data types are like in which form data is stored. Like there are many data types in Python. So I downloaded a picture from the internet so I can explain you the data types. So these are the Python data types. The first is numeric data type, in which there are three categories, which is called integer, float and complex number. After that, dictionary, there is this is another data type. After that, boolean, this is another data type. Set, another data type. And there are sequence data types, which are string, list and tuple. And we will study these one by one. So let's go to file, and here I write data types dot py. So there are 7 data types like int. So I write here in comments. So these are the main 6 data types, sorry, 7 data types, which we show, I also show you in picture. So in the next upcoming videos we will study these all data types one by one, and we will check their functions and other things. So stay tuned for this course, and let's meet in other video. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.